Question number 5th and third part. Tangent theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tangent theta equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Again we want to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So by taking left hand side we obtain tangent theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tangent theta. First convert tangent theta and cot theta in terms of sine and cos. So sine theta divided by cos theta, 1 minus again cot theta is cos theta divided by sine theta plus cot theta is cos theta divided by sine theta and tangent is sine theta divided by cos theta. When we take LCM in denominator, sin theta is LCM, sin theta minus cos theta plus, now cos theta divided by sin theta as it is, and again which term is LCM? Cos theta, and cos theta minus sin theta. We can write down this term as sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus sin, and this term is cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now here in denominator, here term is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and this term is sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. What is the relation between these two terms? Only this term is of negative of the second term. So when we take negative common from this term, then we obtain sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta and minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, when we take negative common, this term converts sin theta and minus cos theta. Now what will be the LCM in this case? Cos theta into sin theta, sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So this is the LCM. Cos theta is present, this term is present. So which term is extra? Sin theta. So sin theta into sin square theta is sin cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Now this is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, and we know that what is the identity? A minus b into a square plus ab and plus b square. So apply this identity on this term. We obtain sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta and plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta cancel out. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is equal to 1 with the help of first identity. So we can write down this term as 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. When we separate these terms, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Term cancel out. and the reverse of sin theta cos theta is cosecant theta into secant theta plus 1. So what is this value? This term is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side.